TT's Playroom.
Hi friends, let's explore all the different insects. Bee. Bees have 5 eyes and 6 legs. They make honey too. Ant. Ants are the longest living insects. They live in colonies. Spider. Spider has 8 legs and 2 body parts. Some can bite you. Beetle. Some beetles can lift over 1,000 times their own body weight. Butterfly. Butterflies taste with their feet. Cockroach. Cockroaches can hold their breath for 40 minutes. Ladybug. Ladybugs can be yellow, pink, black, or red, not just red. Wasp. Wasps' colonies can have over 5,000 members. Caterpillar. Caterpillars have 12 eyes. Moth. Most moths are nocturnal. That means they are active at night. Fly. Flies don't have teeth and can walk upside down. Millipede. Millipedes can have up to 400 legs. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers have ears on their stomachs and they have 5 eyes. Dragonfly. Dragonflies have been around for over 300 million years. Mosquito. Only female mosquitoes bite. Praying mantis. Praying mantis can see in 3D and they only have 1 ear. Termites. Termite colonies have a king and a queen. Firefly. Fireflies are actually beetles and use light to communicate with each other. Tick. Ticks can live as long as 200 days without food or water. Grub. Grubs live underground in the soil where they eat plant roots. Cricket. Although crickets have wings, most are not able to fly. Centipede. Centipedes hide during the day and come out at night to hunt. Hornet. Hornets eat leaves and tree sap. Earthworm. Earthworms have no bones or skeletons. Stick insects. The stick insect is the longest insect in the world. Maggots. Maggots are baby flies. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye!